So we have another derivative question here, and this time we have all negative powers. So let's go ahead and solve this. So h prime of y would give us, so y has a coefficient of 1. So 1 times negative 4 just gives us negative 4y. Negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. So yeah, just be careful how you do that. And then we have, so now we're moving on to the next part. So the next part is negative 9 times the power, which is negative 3. So that would give us a positive answer. And that's going to be positive 27y minus 4. And it's minus 4 because negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. Let me just fix this 5. Right. And then this is going to be negative because 8 times negative 2 gives us 16y to the power negative 3. Well, what we did here was negative 2 minus 1, which is negative 3. And then basic rule of derivative, we have a constant, so we automatically know that that's a 0. So we just don't write anything here. So yeah, that's how you solve this question.